But stress out. Some of them gal I need for stop. You don't know it's your girl dear.
Me don't know if I hear Kitty them. They in a room. Kitty them in the room. Kitty and Tanis in the room. Me in a bathroom. My belly a hot me from morning, brother. From morning me a belly eat. My belly a kill me. But me go trick Kitty and Tanis and tell them say I run in a belly me have. And me can't manage it, brother. Can't manage it, so I will see their reaction if they love me or if they don't love me. I plant the camera right there, so when they come in, I can't see. I don't know how I'm going to set the camera, but I want to hide the camera from them. I don't want to if you see it. So I can't see me there in the bathroom. I can't show no down there, so I naked down there, so come in the bathroom. Because I try to do. I really do for true, you know. Yes. I really do for true, because my belly was do, but I don't really run it around. I do the run. So, I try to prank the girl then. See if your phone can go there. So, alright, yes, brother. Right there, so, wait. Kitty! It's Christ, man. Kitty, this a shit you're strong, brother. Kitty! Tap me up so strong, man.
Yes, eh?
My belly a kill me.
What do you belly?
Me a do what me say, brother. I don't want you to do, but you murder me, dog.
What you name?
I know.
I must see girl give you corona, baby.
Actually, no.
Want me give you a little mix up?
Where you mix up?
No poisoning, man.
John Crow. Dirty girl. You mix up pies, give me?
Yeah.
He's a wicked
Sorry,
hombre.
belly. We are busy.
He's a wicked hombre. Kitty me like look when people when they shit still, you know. You know, feel good, no you. When you say I mix up give me belly, Kitty me not run no drum belly, feel like it's all jump out of my body, girl.
You can't do some mix up for you. That back in the come again in the kitchen.
Aye.
Honey. I do like, you know, I want to give you something belly, you know. Can't bother with you.
Kitty, what you say?
Eh?
What you say?
Mix little salt water for you, me come in.
You don't tell me what over belly you talk boy you go. You see as a wicked dirty girl.
What me say? What me do?
Boy you go plan up for me belly. You think me not hear you?
You not put on for your belly.
You make it sit Tanis. Belly hot me dog.
Honey, come here. I can't bother with you. Make your belly hot, Teddy.
Me don't know. Belly a run like a dog.
I can't bother with you. Yo. Can't bother with you. I know I'm going so few. You know that you're bored in your belly. And it's a card and I really say the best scenario. Like it's just a car card, so you can't talk about. Me do like what Dexter say, you know, pies me, you know. It's a card, miss, I can't bother with it. Come here, Tanis. We can mix up with you here. We can tap card with me.
Kitty, you know say me a hear you know.
Eh?
You know me a hear you.
Eh.
So what you think you who me do you want fuck? You love call me name and I mix up, girl. Don't like your carry. Which girl?
Yes, to Shamara.
Shamara.
Yeah, me tell me say you want to come here. You tell me the hurry one.
Remember me never mean it, dude. Me don't want that girl, the brother. Where's Cindy that mix up in my belly? Yeah, babes, what you say now? Me I talk to my man on the phone. So don't feel like sick. I mean, know the dirty style. Love talk about everything. My video, no prank. Oh, no, it's not a prank. Where you look at phone for pussy? Babes, what you say? Hello, input the phone. You gone to see input the phone for me. I don't know what sweet that man, yeah. Kitty, what is? Okay, don't talk about poison in me, you know. Blood clot poison me tonight. Come taste it first. I'm not trust you. Come, taste it first. You not poison me, my friend.
I saw what I'm
Nothing here to drink none. Taste it, man. Go on again, one more. Drink one more. You're too fuck up.
I salt water, but you have fuck up my belly.
Drink one more. Favorite dog. Oh, it is. You have a buzz. I don't trust you no. Hey, you just have a pies with me. Wait, who this?